Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're all about transparency and growth when it comes to learning digital skills. MTN, one of the biggest networks out there, just launched MTN Skills, a platform that teaches digital skills for free. But first of all, I am Happiness Elijah. If this is the first time coming across this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and mind you, don't forget to turn on the notification button to get notified so you don't miss out in any of my videos. Now, let me ask you this question. Do you want to learn a digital skill like graphic design, coding, or digital marketing completely for free? Or are you ready to level up your career but you don't know where to start? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can learn high in-demand skills for free using MTN Skills Academy app. Mind you, stick to the end of this video so you don't get to miss out on any tutorial. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started. For the sake of this one, we'll be using our phone, so let's click on our Google Chrome. Right, so mind you just have to click on this dot. Okay, it's not showing now. Let's just click on it before we turn it to desktop site. It's already here on my tab, but for you that don't have it, you just type in MTN Skills Academy. This is it right here, so they just click on it, right? And boom, this is the app. Let me just say this is the website. This is how it looks like. Okay, let's navigate through. Remember, just let's read what they say. Your path to a digital career. Learn digital skills for free to kickstart your career within a digital economy. How it works: you can sign up for free, like I told you, it's for free. Complete the career guides, questionnaire to discover more about possible career pathway. So the next thing to do, let's navigate through it first. Alright, okay. Right, let's just click on the register now. Boom, and this is it. But first, it's showing you where you can choose select from your country. I mean, if you're selecting from any part of the world, you just select your country. It's only available for 10 countries, right? So you just select from your country, either of it, okay? But me right now, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll just choose Nigeria. Okay, let's see why it loads. Right, let's just sign in with our Google. I will use my account. I don't have any, so for the sake of this video, I'm creating one. Continue. Okay, let's wait. It's taking time to load. Yes, this is our dashboard. As you can see, it's giving us this vibe, right? This is how it looks. This is how the dashboard looks. Let me check if this is still on Google site. I mean, desktop site is not, so I'll put it again on desktop site. Let's wait while it's load. Okay, we're there. So the number one say find the digital parts that's best for you. So let's click on next. Just if you have the time to go through the next, you can keep scrolling and the rest. But yeah, it shows complete your profile, so let's do that. Just use my name and my last name. Now let's start the journey. Saving. Let's wait while it's load. onboarding complete, right? You saw the message, so that's it. Right now we are on our dashboard. Complete 3 basic courses. Hey, to claim your seat for access to digital additional advanced course, you will need to complete 3 basic course. So just click on okay. That's not why we're here. Now this is it. Let's go back to our dashboard. Alright, this so you just click on this course, this icon here that's showing course. Let me zoom in for you to see. This is me. As you can see, for the sake of this video, I just create the account. So it's a new account. It's not as if I've started going through any digital course. So just click on the course. Now you can see how it is. You can navigate through it. There are a lot of courses out here. This one is saying work with computer and device is a course for beginner. Because you just go through to find out the one that suits you. Right, let's go to page 2. So you can see a lot of this, a lot of course here. So you just start from anywhere. Make sure you complete. So and it's self space. You can do it anywhere. Like this data science math skill for people that want to understand more about data science. Or yeah, we have code yourself and introduction program. So here is it. Let's go to the next page. Alright, there's a search button. Let's just search for graphics design. Let's check the skill part. Okay, this is the area, like what I'm seeing here, to find your direction with a career guidance survey. So in case you don't know the particular part you want exactly, so this is where it helps you to start. So just click on get started. There's a survey. Okay, let's begin your path to digital career. If you have the time, you can go through the 2 basic courses before we can access. We're not allowed to. Alright, they say complete 3 beginner courses to unlock your advanced courses. So we have to complete 3 beginners course to advance any of our choice. Now there's a setting here. If you want to edit your profile, you can do that. But this area, this course area, this is where you navigate through your course. Okay, and that's it. The more you complete, the more your digital skill grow. So don't just stop at one. Once you're done with one, you go more, select the category you need, you continue studying, continue. The thing there is actually free. So don't just stop at one. Let's say you want to improve in graphic designer, don't just stop only at graphic designer. There are a lot of feed there, so just explore the app, make it useful. So that's how easy it is to start learning digital skill using MTN Skill app. You can see how it is. So guys, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, don't forget to subscribe so you don't get to miss out in other videos like this.